This entire storytelling website is scroll-driven, cinematic, and frame-by-frame animated, and I built using AI. Before I get to the step-by-step process, let me brief about how I did it. First, I need to create the assets. So I used a flow to create these animation images and then convert it to sequence and everything. Then second step is creating the system and build the structure. I used the Lovable to create the structure and the system, and really did it works. I mean, just scroll down, I will show you this is the system and the layout structure, the style and everything. I used this exact structure and replace the image with animations and everything. So then the third step is, of course, downloading the zip file of all the code we used to create in Lovable. I download that in zip file. Then I use the Antigravity to create this amazing storytelling website. When you scroll down, as you can see, yeah, everything was really fine. Okay, now I'm gonna detail about what I did in step by step. So we're gonna be using Flow to create the images and the videos. Yeah, Flow got an update. So first, let's go open a new project. And here we're gonna paste the prompt. Wait, make sure you check that. Okay, images. Okay, now this is the prompt and enter. We got two outputs. The first frame, these are both our first frames, so we're gonna download one of them, and I'm gonna be selecting this one because this is kind of more muddier and yeah, dirty. So let's just download it. Yeah, I'm gonna be downloading 1K. Now let's paste the second prompt that will create the last frame, and we got the result. We got the first frame and the second frame, and I'm gonna be choosing this frame as our last frame, and we're gonna download it. Audience size. So we got our first frame and the last frame. Let's use this to create the animation video. So we're gonna be right over here and then just do video, and here we're gonna add the start frame and then frame. Start frame is this one and end frame is this one, and then paste the prompt and enter. So this is the result we got. Now let's download it. Original size. Now let's create a sequence of this. I mean, we don't have to add the video itself. We need to create a image sequence of this video. For that, I'm gonna be using Ezgif. This is the tool I'm gonna be using to create the sequence of this video. So let's complete that. Okay, now we have created the image sequence. You can see these are the image sequence of that video. Here we're gonna be downloading a zip file. First, we're gonna be using Lovable to create whole structure and then set to anti-gravity. So first we're gonna paste the prompt here and then add an attachment of the layout. So I have added the screenshot and the whole website prompt, and then I'm gonna just send it. Lovable has done it works, and we used about some credits here, and we have left with 2.80 credits left. And this is the website we created using Lovable, and it's really looking fine. Yeah, and this is where we're gonna do the animations. So we need to download this. For that, I'm gonna be sharing this to GitHub. Connect to GitHub. So this is the whole code Lovable has created. We're gonna download it, and here download as zip. Now we have the code of this website, and we're gonna use that. So this is the folder I extracted. It was a zip file, so I extracted it. Now let's select that. As you can see, this is the whole file, and this okay. In the public folder, I have what happened now? Okay, it's reloading, refreshing, I guess. Okay, in the public folder we have added the two folder which has the image sequences. The first is car frames, where you can see all the frames of car, and then there is blueprints of the car frame I created. I didn't show in the video, but yeah, I created that. Now let's paste the prompt, integrate it, I mean connect it. So let's paste the prompt and this will connect it, and here we just don't wanna say that control frame inside the element. Okay, let's just say this set element, and yeah, and enter. After adding some prompts and fixing the error, I finally get the output I needed. So let me show you what I got. So this is the result we got. When we scroll down, you can see the car is circling, so I mean revolving. I mean, when we scroll down, you can see, yeah, it's really looking fine. I mean, the scrolling animation really did its works in using anti-gravity. Now when we scroll down, as you can see, there is also a blueprint animation here. When we scroll down, you can see the blueprint comes and goes. Yeah, it's really looking fine. We scroll down where there is some new features like essential, premium, and ultimate feature, and like that. And that's it. We created this wonderful animation website using Lovable and Antigravity, combining these two powers. Yeah. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next awesome video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.